In this video we are going to be analysing Microsoft, so to get straight into it, what are going to be key support levels if we continue down. And as of right now we are actually kind of sitting on one at $126.50 is our first deviation on the 6-month chart. As you can see here, this does look like we hit it. Yeah, we have hit it intraday today. We came through it, tried to retest it and broke straight through. And that's what this is going to be key. But I mean, the time I'm recording this, it hasn't yet been seen. Markets closed now, so it will really be today. Can it come back? Well, will it come back to this level? And if so, what happens? Because this is going to be key. If we come back to test this level and selling pressure kicks in, then this will indicate a move most likely further down and to our next deviation, which we'll go through in a sec. But if we can come over this level, come back to test it as a support and we hold it, and instead buying pressure comes in, then it shows that at least for the time being, Microsoft may be able to hold this level instead of fading down, especially if the rest of the market does. But yeah, if we break that 226, we're then paying attention to 215, as that would be our first deviation on the 1-year chart. Breaking through there, we take final supports to 205, 185, and then final levels at 163, 155, and 125. Obviously, some of these are very far off. You don't need to be saying this as, okay, Microsoft is definitely going to $125, because that's not what these levels means. These levels are just good guidances where we expect or kind of know high volume is going to occur, because these are usually areas where algorithms are going to get triggered. So knowing that, this is going to be the technical side of it. Obviously, the fundamentals are always going to be the key driver. If overall markets are weak, Microsoft is most likely going to follow suit. But if any news related to Microsoft, good or bad, obviously you play that direction, and these technical levels can just give you better entries or find good areas to be entering into the trade, as well as finding good targets. Now though, on to the other hand, what are going to be key resistances? So 244 and 250 really going to be these key resistance levels. Is our statistical mean on the 6-month and the 1 year. Now these are our statistical mean, so they're not usually levels we would trade, but they're good insights into the stock, because if you are below this level, you are considered basically getting the stock cheap. You're considered a bit oversold, and you could be getting a good deal if you are looking to get it long. And for the same thing, if it's above you expect it, or you see it as a bit more expensive, you're paying a premium for it, or it's a bit overbought, so it can be an area to be looking at in profits, or just being careful if you're adding size. But if we do break through here, we're looking at 270/275 as those key resistances. If we break that, 290, 310, 304, and final levels at 330 and 360. So those are the technical levels that we are paying attention to on Microsoft. Again, like I said before, fundamentals are always going to be the key driver. So use these to find targets, maybe get better entries. But that's what these levels are for. Unless you're really day trading, you don't want to be trading only or strictly off technicals, because more likely than not, you will lose money. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.